Hi, I'm Arno Lauder, and in 4 short videos, I share some tips and tricks on how to write a good academic piece. This is video 4 about well argued. If you're writing something, then sentences you're writing should be self-evident. The sun goes up in the east, for instance. You don't need a reference for that. But lots of things you're writing need some backing, and the backing can be a source. Don't use a news item if you want to back a non-self-evident sentence, but use serious sources like journal articles, academic articles, or books. You can use news items for inspiration or to give some backing to an interesting observation in your piece. But if you have something that you want to argue for, don't use these kind of sources, use serious sources. Another way to back a non-self-evident sentence is to adduce arguments. You can, of course, argue for a particular position. That's something else you can do. So convince the reader from the rightness of the position you are taking. And on a more general level, create a line of argumentation in what you're writing. There should be a sort of natural flow in your piece that people who are reading it are following what you want to tell them. So your argumentation should follow from the way you're writing it. So that's often the comment you get. It doesn't have a logical order. The flow isn't there. There's no line of argumentation. And then the last point, if you are angry about something or flabbergasted, you can express that in your text. And it can be a powerful style, but most of the times it's much more powerful to phrase it in a neutral sense and let the reader become angry or flabbergasted. That often works much better, because if you put in the surprise or the anger yourself in the text, then it often distracts from the real message you want to tell. So if possible, phrase it in a neutral way and let the reader draw the conclusions. Thank you for watching. Bye.